Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to add the bookmark and how to use the bookmark on Google Docs. So I'm just going to select this entire paragraph bookmark. You just need to click on the insert option here, then go to the, you can see a bookmark option here. Just click this bookmark. You can see a small icon, bookmark icon on here. So this is the bookmark icon. So how to use it? You just select any word into that word. For an example, I just selected this. Go to insert option, then click on the link. You can see link. Then you just need to apply the bookmark. If you don't find anything here, you can click on heading and bookmark option here. You can see there is a bookmark. So if you click this, it will just go to the page that you have been bookmarked. So you can create a bookmark for every sentence, and you can make a shortcut for that paragraph as a bookmark. So try this option on Google Docs now. If you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.